quick how-to in the yard today: how to replace the cabin filter. First thing, wear one glove, pretend you're Michael Jackson and try and open the bonnet. Once that's taken you 10 years because you're too lazy to look down for the trigger, look to the right hand side of the battery. To remove the panel covering the cabin filter, it's simply one T25 Torx screw right here. I've already done it so mine lifts straight out. There are two tabs at the back, so you kind of pull up and out. Now remove your old manky filter and get your new one. Now on the cabin filter itself, it should say the airflow direction. If there is no labels to show that, not a big deal. The circumference of the air filter has in this case, grey foam padding, which gives it a snug fit in the box. That you want at the base of the box, so cabin filter facing down, and that's the direction you want it. Now the final thing is there's a small tab that holds it in place, but it should be quite a snug fit, and if it's not there, I wouldn't be too disconcerted about it. And that's it. Put the plastic panel back on and you're done. Really simple, nice and easy one. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.